Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 4 Pro smartphone. In this video, we will learn how we can use Google Lens in the camera of our phone Oppo Reno 4 Pro. First of all, open camera in our phone and click OK. Now click on More button. Now click Google Lens. Now click OK. Give all permissions. Click Allow and now take a picture. When you take picture, it will also search in internet and it will give the details of that flower. So whatever you take, that object is tracked in the internet and it will be showing all details about that particular object. Here I used flower. You can use object also. So this is called Google Lens. It will automatically search in internet and it will show the details of that particular object. If you don't know the name of that flower, you can easily find out. So you can easily know the name of the flower or name of the object, etc. See here, it gives these details. So here you can know what it is. Now I focus on this particular flower. And I used Google Lens, and yes, it's also showing the pictures in the internet and you can know the details of that flower. So it's a cool feature to know the unknown objects or unknown flowers or whatever unknown. You can easily use Google Lens to detect. This time I use this flower and see the result now. Click on and see the result. So in this way you can use this cool feature. I use this time another flower. I use Google Lens. Also you can pick up the point from where you want to detect. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye. See you.